So we made it out to Hyperfest. I brought the Simple Seat Time Stallion out. I haven't been to Hyperfest in about 2 years. If you've been following the channel, then you remember I came here with the Enjuka Racing Skyline. I miss that car so much, but I'm also really happy to have this car back. 500 horsepower, bone stock K24, seems to be doing really well. It's got a fresh Haltech, fresh engine harness, fresh Garrett turbo. Just, it's fully rebuilt after the big fire that I had at SEMA. Yeah, I'm really happy with the way this car has come out. I feel like I haven't really got to admire it since it's been just tucked away for so long. I'm really happy with the way everything flows on this, from the hood to the Origin Lab, the way it all kind of pushes back and looks fast. Yeah, Nappy Boy's out here. Boom! Boom, boom, boom! We got Rob out here. Rob.
What's happening?
You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready to let it eat?
Let it eat.
So if you're new here, this is Rob. He is the shop director at Nappy Boy Automotive. He pretty much keeps all of our stuff in motion.
That's a major job with him.
Damn, Robert.
He's helping. Teaching him how to turn a wrench.
Hey, your boy knows how to turn a goddamn wrench, all right, Rob? All right, don't play with me like that. This is Rob's car. Fully built S14, Wisefab, V8, 550 horsepower, something like that.
Texas speed, 6.2.
I'm gonna tell you something special, guys. This is Rob's first drift car.
First. Went a little overboard.
My boy went a little overboard.
The good thing about my car, CMP. Hert drove this thing 5-6 times. Guess what? It didn't break.
That's the good part about it?
That's the good part.
That's the good part about it?
Hey man, if you don't break it, solid.
What makes you think I was going full tilt? I'm gonna try again? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Drive anything not full?
I'm an adult now. 95%. That's it, you know?
95%?
Yeah, 95%.
95%.
Yeah, but Rob's car is sick. I'll show you guys. If you want to see more of this car, let me know. We'll do a build breakdown on this thing. What is this like for you, Rob? Because you're new to all this drifting stuff. Rob builds trucks, lowriders, hot rods. We invaded his shop.
It's been a blast. I mean, it's new. It's fun going to all these different tracks, getting to learn different driving experiences. I mean, it's been a blast.
You ever thought you'd be doing stuff like this?
No, I did not. A year ago to now, it's been full life rotation.
We got a little drifty boy. We turned the country boy into a little drifty boy.
Country boy, drifty
Yeah, let's
boy.
go, baby. I don't know. I just love drifting so much. I'm stoked to be here, stoked to be a part of this. Once the driving is done, you know, we getting breezy, baby. Once the driving's done, we getting breezy today, man. I'm gonna let it loose a little bit.
Hot yeah. Let it go.
So we just made it to Haltech Hyperfest. This track is so good. That blind downhill, throwing it at the wall, transitioning full throttle, it don't make no sense. But this event is crazy. There's over 100 drift drivers, but they're also running time attack and also doing some off-road stuff too. This event has a little bit of everything. The goal for today is to have fun. We brought the simple seat time Stallion because that thing is very simple. Simple. So we're gonna have a lot of simple fun. We're gonna do a lot of simple drifting, and it should be good. So let's go get the first session in and party. Let's do this. Let's do this. Alright, so the first session got a little sketchy. My tension rods were coming loose. I felt a weird clunk and the car is transitioning super fast. It was really hard to control. Robert helped me out, got under there, tightened it up, readjusted the caster to make sure both sides were the same because one was just way off. So I went out again and it felt a little better. It still feels a little spazzy, but definitely a lot more controllable than it was. I guess, you know, we did all the work to get the motor right. We did all the work to make the car look good, but probably need to refresh the suspension and a lot of those parts because that was just super weird. But you know, we're still gonna go out and send it. My boy Miles was helping me put some stickers on the car, a little sticker tune. I got these stickers made for LZ World Tour, the first round in California. The car didn't get done in time for it. So the stickers just been sitting in a box. Shout out to AW Stickers for knocking them out for me quickly. Sorry I didn't put them on, and shout out to my boy Ian, Factory 83, for helping me with the layout. So this thing's getting a quick sticker tune. We're gonna go back out, burn the rest of these tires, have a good old time.